Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Motorola G75, and in this video I am going to show you how to disable Google Assistant on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings. Next we have to scroll down and find Google option. Now we have to click on all services, Search Assistant and Voice, Google Assistant, and right here we are in the Google Assistant settings. Now we have to scroll down and find General option, where we have to click on this button and click Turn off. And that's how you disable Google Assistant. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!